children? Yes, in the last class what I explained about the types of angles, isn't it? So which are the types of angles? One is right angle, then acute angle, then obtuse angle. What is right angle, children? Yes, I think if you have watched the videos, you are able to answer for this question. What is right angle? Yes, it is. If the angle is measured 90 degree exactly, then it is right angle. If the angle is less than 90 degree, then it is acute angle. If the angle is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, then we call it as obtuse angle, isn't it? Next, what about straight angle? If the angle is 180 degree, then we call it as straight angle. Okay. Suppose if the angle measures 360 degree, then we call one complete angle. Right? I don't know. We studied in the previous class, isn't it? Today, let us know the angles in a clock. See, today I will teach you how to draw the clock also. Okay? You might have seen in your houses, no? That is clock. So, you will not see the clock on the wall, isn't it? Or on your table, alarm clocks are there. ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ, ಅಲಾರಾಮ್ ಹೊಡೆಯೋದಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ವಾಲ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. So, if you observe the clock, you can see so many designs of clocks. Circle, square, rectangle or any fancy type. But all the clocks mention from 1 to 12. ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ವಾ? That is, we call it as 12-hour clock. ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಇದನ್ನ 12-hour clock. ಅಲ್ವಾ? 12-hour clock ಅಲ್ಲಿ the number starts from 1 to 12. How to draw? Just with the help of your compass. So it is in your geometry box. Take compass and take small distance between the pointer and the pencil and draw a circle. Okay. After drawing, just you raise the diameter of or radius of that pencil and then so that you can draw two circles with the same center. Center is same. First ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇನ್ನರ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಈಗ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 centimeter if you take radius, draw a small circle. For next take 5 centimeter and draw another circle so that you will get this type of two circle having the common center. Okay, this is ready. Now, first, just above this center you write 12. Okay, next, in a straight line you draw or you write 6. Then 12, 6. Next, in the middle you write 3. In a straight line you draw or you write 9. Okay, write 9. This is first you write all these 4 numbers 3, 6, 9, 12. In the middle you write 1 and 2. See, it should be equidistance. It should be equidistance. Okay, same length. Okay, next is 4, next 5. Here 6 is there, 7, 8. In between 9 and 12, 10, 11. So, we wrote 9, 3, 12, 6 first, then the middle numbers you write from equidistance. Okay. Now, This is the numbers. What about inside the clock? There are two needles, isn't it? One is small needle and another one is big needle. ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ವಾ? ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರುತ್ತೆ. So what this small needle indicates? Small needle indicates hours. Small needle indicates hours. Isn't it? Then what about this big one? So big needle indicates minutes. It indicates minutes. Isn't it? ದೊಡ್ಡದು minutes represent ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Small one it represents hours. ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲವು ಗಡಿಯಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಕೆಲವ್ರ ಮನೇಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮುಳ್ಳಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತೆಳ್ಳಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ seconds. Okay. Now, after knowing this, now we'll come to the angles in a clock. Okay. All angles andre iga nodi. Between one number to another number, the angle is 30 degree. One hour, angle ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ? 1 hour is equal to 30 degrees. 1 hour is 30 degrees. See, while telling the timings, we used to take 5 minutes between one hour. That is 12 to 5 minutes. 1 to 2, 5 minutes. Again 2 to 3, 5 minutes. So 5, 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, then 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. The minutes are not. Now I am teaching you about the angles. Here angles are there. 1 hour is equal to how many degrees? It is 30 degrees. Okay. Now, suppose if they ask how many degrees between 3 hours and 30 minutes. See here, 3 o'clock. The clock is showing 3 o'clock. Now I will change the needle. Okay, change the needle. See, it is representing 2. Okay, then small one is representing 2 and the big one representing 5. So my question is, what is the angle between 2 hours 25 minutes? So my question is, what is the angle between 2 hours 25 minutes ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? How do you tell it? See, now you count from 2 to 25. Okay, ಈಗ 2 to 3 how many degrees? 30 degrees. 30 to 4 again 30 degree plus 30 degree. 30 degree plus 5, that is another one number is 30 degree. So the angle between 225 is 90 degree. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು? ಒಂದು ನಂಬರಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ start from the small needle ellide ಆ number na ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ 2 to 3 30 degree, 3 to 4 30 degree, 4 to 5 again 30 degree. That means how many times 30 degree here? 30 plus 30 plus 30. So the angle formed here between the small needle and the big needle is 90 degree. Okay, it is 90 degree. Okay, I will give some more examples. And also 90 degree means which angle is this? Whether it is right angle or acute angle or obtuse angle. If the angle is 90 degree exactly means which angle is this? This is right angle. This is right angle. Okay. This is right angle. After mentioning the degrees, you have to write which type of angle is this. Here the given is 90 degree. So as I explained in the last session, if the angle is exactly measuring 90 degree, then it is known as right angle. Okay children, now I will write one more clock. Okay, just very small clocks I write now, just for mentioning the angles. Okay, very simple one. 12, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Okay, now small needle, okay, then big needle. Okay, I will write this one also. Another one clock. Okay, 12, 3, 6, 9. In between 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Okay, I'll write the needles. That is, this small is showing 4, then 6, the big one is 6. Okay, next one. Okay, now 12, 3, 6, 9. In between numbers 1, 2, okay, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Now I will write small needle is near 8 and big one showing 8. Now the question is, children see, now the question, observe the clock, okay, and tell me which type of angle is this. So first what we should do, we should mention the degrees. Now see here, it is exactly 6 o'clock. It is exactly 6 o'clock means count the degrees from here to here 30, 60, then 90, then 120, then 150, then 180. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30. So 6 times 30 you add it. Then see here 30 degree plus 30 degree plus 30 degree plus 30 degree. How many times? 6 times. Again 30 degree plus 30 degree. 6 times. So the total is 180 degree. So if the angle is 180, then which type of angle is this? If the angle is exactly 180, then we call this angle as straight angle. We call it as straight angle. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ? ಒಂದೊಂದನ್ನು 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ the angle between 6 o'clock is 180. ಆಯ್ತಾ? that is 180. 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿದ್ವಿ. ಏನು 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಂಗಲ್? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಡಿಡ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್. ಸೊ we'll do second clock. Okay, so the small needle is at 4, then the big one is at 6. So you tell me the angle between the small and the big. See here, the small one is at 4, that is already the 4 in between 4 because it's showing 430. Okay, right? The small needle is in between 4 and 5 and the big needle is at 6. So what is the angle between these two? Okay, now see here, between 4 and 5 means in 30 degree you make it as half. Exact agi number ಇಂದ number ಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ 30 degree. But here the small needle is in between 4 and 5. ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಡಲ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿನ ನೀವು ಅರ್ಧ ಮಾಡಿ. You make 30 degree into half. That means it is 50 degree plus 5 to 6 again 30 degree. So what is this? It is total is 45 degree. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ನೋಡಿ. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ನೀಡಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಂಬರಿಂದ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 3 and half, 4 and half, 5 and half, 6 and half. Okay, when half comes, then the small needle is between the numbers, means you make it as half. That is 30 half is 50. That is why here 50 plus 30. So angle is 45 degree. So which type of angle is this 45? If the angle is just below 90 degree, then we call it as acute angle. Which type of angle is it? Acute angle. 90 degree ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಆಂಗಲ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? acute angle. With angle which is just below 90 degree, then we call it as acute angle. Okay, now the last clock. Go through this clock. Now the small needle is exactly on 8 and the big needle is on exactly on 12. So what type of angle is this? Before mentioning the angle, we'll first write the degrees. See, from 8 to 9, 30 degree, plus 9 to 10, again 30 degree, plus 10 to 11, again 30 degree, 11 to 12, again 30 degree. Yes, you add it, 60, 90, then it is 120. Alva? Why we have taken 34 times? See, 8 to 9, 30 degree, 9 to 10, 30 degree, 10 to 11, 30 degree, 11 to 12, 30 degree. So you total it, that is 120 degree. So if the angle is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, so which type of angle is this? This is obtuse angle. This is obtuse angle. So children, see, first you learn how to draw a clock, then each needle, the distance between the each number indicates how many degrees? 30 degrees. So go through the small needle and the big needle. If it is exactly showing the numbers means you take 30 degree. If it is between the numbers, then you make it into half, that is 30 degree, half means 15 degree. Then you mention it as 15 degree. Then you add all the degrees, you will get the answer. So remember the types of angles, whether it is right angle or whether it is acute angle or obtuse angle or straight angle. Then you mention that type of angle. Okay, children? So at home you take your wall clock and go through the timings first, learn the timings, then the degrees, then note down everything in your notebook. Okay, children? So write this one also in your notes. Okay, see you, bye.